The following table contains the number of successes and failures for three categories of a variable. At alpha equal to 0.10, test whether the proportions are equal for each category. So the claim is that the proportions are all equal, which is the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is at least one of the proportions is different. Alpha is 0.10, and I'm going to enter in the observed values into a 2x3 matrix. Again, we do not include the totals. And then we're going to use the chi-square test. The observed is matrix A, the expected is matrix B, and then press calculate. So the chi-square value is 1.99, and the p-value is 0.3699. So the picture would look like this, and the p-value is greater than alpha, so we would fail to reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.10 level of significance, there is not enough evidence to reject the claim that the proportions of successes and failures for the three categories are the same.